Hello, my name is Marnie Old, the Boisset sommelier, and today we're talking about Zinfandel. Zinfandel from DeLoach Vineyards in the Russian River Valley. There's a whole line of single vineyard expressions of Zinfandel within this winery's portfolio, and today we're tasting one of my favorites from the Saitone Vineyard. Now, what makes this vineyard so exceptional and so very special is that it is not just a block of old vines. This vineyard was originally planted in 1895, and while the vineyard's vines have been replaced, they've been done more one at a time rather than in a large block. However, this is a vineyard of what we call head-trained vines rather than trellised vines. So if you drove past it, you would see gnarled roots rising from the soil with their branches reaching for the sky as if they were personalities in an animated cartoon. These old vines are also not 100% Zinfandel, and the Saitone wine, while it is dominated by the Zinfandel grape, is what we know in the wine trade as a field blend, meaning that there are individual vines of other varieties sprinkled in amongst the Zinfandel, and those grapes are harvested all together and co-fermented together to produce a wine that is not 100% Zinfandel, but is all fermented at once. This is a style of winemaking that is much more common in regions like Spain and Italy and Portugal than it is in California, but it adds tremendous complexity, interest, and grace to the Saitone wine. So what other grapes are included in the mix? Well, a few of them are grapes that we might recognize, like Alicante Bouschet, a famous grape from the Valencian coast in Spain. But most of them are others that we don't pay much attention to in the wine trade. Things like Grand Noir, Petit Bouschet, and my personal favorite addition is actually a white grape called French Colombard, better known for its role in making great cognac. Enjoy.